Hello my dear students, welcome back again to the Aditya tutorials. I am Rahul and in this video I am going to discuss the classification of periodic table into the blocks. Okay, so generally the periodic tables is again classified into blocks. Okay, so that is just I want to mention some points here. The first two groups, this is the first two groups, so just I mark here. These two groups are generally called here as S block elements. S block elements, and the next I guess going to mark here, and this is these are the elements. This is one block here I'm going to mention, and these are called as the D block elements. D block elements. D block elements. And now here whatever this is the last one, this box is termed here as the P block elements. P block elements, and here the last one, which is kept separately, this is termed here as F block elements. Okay, and few important things we're going to discuss about this. The first point, the electronic configuration of all the elements here. The general electronic configuration for the S block elements can be given here as NS1 to 2. There are two electrons are there in a S orbital, therefore there are two groups are there, or okay, there are two groups. Groups are two groups because two electrons. Now come to the D orbital. The general electronic configuration for the D orbital we can write here, that is n-1 D 1 to 10, and ns that is 0 to 2. Okay, this is general electronic configuration, and total number of groups in this. The groups start with this is group number 3, and this is the group number 12. There are total 10 groups are there. 10 groups, 3 to 12. And now come to the P block elements. We have general electronic configuration, that is NS2 NP 1 to 6. This is the general electronic configuration for the P block elements. We can write here 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. This is start with the 13 to 18. So total there are, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups are there. So better write here 6 groups. So 6 groups because the P orbital can include here the 6 electrons. Okay, now come to the last one, that is F, because it is very important now. Now the general electronic configuration I'm going to write, this is n-2 F 1 to 14 n-1 D, that is 0 to 1. Obviously it contains 10 electrons, but in this element, in these elements, the D always contains 0 or 1 electron. Okay, then NS2. Okay, this is general electronic configuration. The total number of elements are varies here, because in this again that is classified as a lanthanides and actinides, that we can discuss in the later part. Now just you remember here, these are the number of groups and general electronic configuration for the this periodic table. Hope you understood this. Thank you for watching, students.